we are assembling the Cupcake gift bag. So I have already glued my pieces onto one side. This bag goes together very quickly. It's cute. It's fast. You can customize it for a girl or a boy. And you can make it look completely different just by changing the papers. So I kept mine pretty simple. You want to put your cupcake wrapper on first, and then you put your frosting to your cupcake on top of it. I chose a nice neutral green, but this will make a cute little bag for a boy or a girl. And your side here has the hole that goes at the top, and there's a slight border around the whole piece. So it's easiest to put these panels on while they're flat. I'm just going to start up here at the top. Work it down. So that was pretty quick. Now to do the side, we're going to line up the bottom first. I'm going to glue the bottom on first, so that I have that in place. And you just want to hold this so that you can make sure that your corner is going where it should. And then just glue this down. You want to line this up to your straight edge and just let it go. Your cupcake frosting hangs over just a little. It's supposed to. And now we're going to work on the other side. And again, first I'm going to put the bottom tab on so that I have this piece in place where it needs to be. I'm going to do that by just fitting it into this corner. And then put glue on your long tab. Line it up to the straight edge. Now I'm going to put this bottom tab on. Now that I've got it in place, I'm going to carefully lay that down so it doesn't move and apply some pressure. And you're just going to put glue on your tabs. Line it up to the straight edge. Come line up your other side. Now I'm just reaching my hand inside and applying some pressure, making sure my tabs are nice and secured. Okay. Then I've got 2 pipe cleaners here. And I'm using 2 because 1 was just not quite long enough. I'm just going to twist this around here on the inside. Put this through the hole. Twist it around. Determine how long I want my handle to be, and then just twist that around. And there we have it. There is our cupcake gift bag. Let me get these edges done a little bit better. And then I can reform my handle here, make it a curve. There we go. Thank you for joining me.